In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive scientific presentation dashboard in PowerPoint. If you want your scientific presentation to feel more dynamic, polished, and easy to navigate, this is a great technique to use. Instead of moving through your slides in a fixed order, you can build a main dashboard slide that lets you jump directly to any core section with a smooth zoom transition. This works especially well for research talks, thesis defenses, lab updates, and conference presentations where you may want quick access to different topics. To begin, create separate slides for each core section of your scientific presentation. For example, you might have individual slides or slide groups for your introduction, methodology, results, discussion, and conclusion. The key idea here is that each major part of your presentation should already exist as its own destination slide. This makes the dashboard easier to build and much more useful during the actual presentation. Once those section slides are ready, go to your main slide, which will act as the dashboard or menu for your presentation. From the top ribbon, click Insert, then Zoom, and choose Slide Zoom. This feature allows you to place clickable thumbnails on one slide, each linked to another slide in your deck. It's a simple tool, but it creates a very professional, interactive experience. After selecting Slide Zoom, you'll see a list of slides from your presentation. Check the boxes for all the scientific slides you want to include in your dashboard, then click Insert. PowerPoint will automatically place thumbnail previews of those selected slides onto your main slide. These thumbnails are now interactive, meaning each one can take you directly to that section during your slideshow. Next, arrange the thumbnails into a clean dashboard layout. Take a moment here to position them in a way that looks organized and easy to understand at a glance. You can line them up evenly, group them by theme, or place them in a layout that matches the flow of your talk. Try to keep enough spacing between thumbnails so they're easy to click during a live presentation. A tidy layout not only looks better, but also helps your audience follow along more easily. Finally, enter slideshow mode and test the dashboard. Click any thumbnail, and PowerPoint will instantly zoom into that slide with a smooth transition. This is the moment where everything comes together. You now have an interactive presentation interface that helps you move quickly between sections while keeping the delivery visually engaging and professional. That's how to create an interactive scientific presentation